Hello everyone! Today we're going to clean our small hut again. It has become very messy and dusty because termites have already started eating parts of the walls. So we need to spray some Cymbush insecticide to help get rid of the insects. The termites are the reason why the walls are becoming dusty and damaged. So without further ado, let's do this. Hi again. So after sweeping the walls to remove all the dust, we can start spraying. I already prepared a spray solution mixed with Cymbush insecticide to help kill the insects. So as you can see right now, after just a few minutes of spraying the walls, the termites and other insects hiding inside have already started coming out. There are actually so many of them, which shows that spray is really effective. We finally finished applying the Cymbush insecticides. The weather today is so nice and I'm hoping it will rain soon because our plants really need more water to grow healthy. Thank you so much for watching.